Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. Today, I wanted to highlight the August 2025 monthly security updates for Android. This month, we're getting fixes for two critical severity vulnerabilities, with one targeting Qualcomm devices, while the other one is new for those with Android 16. First up, let's discuss the two most important patches included in this month's security update for Android. The first is for the Android 16 operating system, and it's actually impacting the Android system itself. This bug has the possibility of a remote code execution, meaning that a hacker could attack your phone and compromise it without you needing to interact with it in any way. And the second critical severity vulnerability that was fixed this month on Android is actually for a closed source Qualcomm component. And this was something that was initially reported back in January of this year. This specific issue fixed a memory corruption problem due to an unauthorized command execution in the GPU micronode while executing a specific sequence of commands. This month, we also saw a number of high severity vulnerabilities reported for the Android operating system that were fixed in these monthly patches as well. The first two were part of the Android framework that impacted versions ranging from Android 13 all the way to Android 16. And these were pretty important too, even though they did not enable a remote hacker into your device. It did allow anyone with physical access to your phone to escalate privileges that would allow them to access your protected data. Then we had a single high severity vulnerability impact devices with an ARM Mali GPU, while the next high severity vulnerability that was fixed this month had to do with memory corruption while rendering graphics using Adreno GPU drivers within the Chrome application. Sadly, there are only a few Android devices out there that actually get monthly security updates. So you may end up not being able to install these patches until your OEM has prepared its own security update. Those who purchase an Android device directly from a wireless carrier will also have to wait a bit longer for the carrier itself to apply the finishing touches before that update is pushed out to your device. But most people can check to see if they have an over-the-air update waiting for them by first launching the Settings application and then doing a search for the word update. You should see something labeled Security Update or Firmware Update, Software Update, maybe even System Update. Either of these should be able to take you to the page where you can manually check to see if you have a security update waiting to be installed. Just remember to check which patch level your device is at. You can see I only have April 2025 security patches installed on this Galaxy S23 here. So I need to wait for Samsung to push out this August 2025 patch security update to these devices before those vulnerabilities will be patched on this phone. I would love to see some more improvements made to how important security updates are rolled out on Android. Google has made a lot of progress over the years, but we still have people waiting months, sometimes a full year, before their OEM is ready to push out a batch of security patches. And that just isn't acceptable considering the amount of sensitive data that's being leaked online these days. But I want to hear what you think about these monthly security updates down in the comment section below. Just be sure to like the video to help spread the word, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already.